students, I am Puneet Kumar, working as assistant professor in RPIIT College. Today we discuss how to calculate interquartile range, quartile division and coefficient of quartile division in discrete series. Here a question: wages and number of worker we are given in the question. Wages 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, and number of worker 2, 8, 20, 35, 42 and 20. Now first of all we calculate interquartile range. Interquartile range. How to calculate interquartile range? The formula is quarter 3 minus quarter 1. Interquartile range is equal to quarter 3 minus quarter 1. First of all we calculate quarter 3. This is a discrete series. In the discrete series, first of all we calculate size of quarter 3. The formula is n plus 1 divided by 4 into 3 the item. Now we calculate cumulative frequency because this is a discrete series. 2, 10, 30, 65, 107, 127. The total of number of worker is also 127. Now we put the value in the formula. 3, here n is equal to 127 plus 1 divided by 4. Quarter 3 is equal to 3 into 128 divided by 4. Here quarter 3, the size of quarter 3 is equal to 96. Now we check the value of 96 in the cumulative frequency. When we check the quarter 3, here we select 107 and the value of variables means wages is equal to 50. That quarter 3 is equal to 50. Now we calculate quarter 1 is equal to n plus 1 divided by 4, 127 plus 1 divided by 4, 128 divided by 4. The size of quarter 1 is equal to 32. After that we check the size of quarter 1 in the cumulative frequency. The value is 65 and this is the front of wages 40. Then quarter 1 is equal to 40. Now we apply in the formula quarter 3 minus quarter 1. Then interquartile range is equal to 50 minus 40 is equal to 10. After that we calculate quartile division. The formula is quarter 3 minus quarter 1 divided by 2. Here quarter 3 is equal to 50 minus quarter 1 is equal to 40 upon 2. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. This is the quartile division, and the coefficient of quartile division is equal to quarter 3 minus quarter 1 upon quarter 3 plus quarter 1. This is the formula of coefficient of quartile deviation. Here quarter 3 is equal to 50 and quarter 1 is equal to 40 upon 50 plus 40, 10 upon 90, 0.11. This is the calculation of interquartile range, quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation. Thank you.